Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any desktop icons jump whenever mouse cursor is placed above it in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have some icons on my desktop screen. So you can see these are some program or application icons, right? So whenever I place mouse cursor above it, so you can see here it's happening nothing, so there's no any movement or anything effects, right? So how you can make this desktop icons jump? So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and directly visit to this website link. So now you can see here two download options. So the first one is for the 32-bit, which is written x86, and if you're using a 64-bit operating system, then you can get this 64-bit. So right now I'm using a 64-bit operating system, so I'm gonna download this 64-bit version. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double left click it, run the software installer, click on OK, click on next, click on accept agreement, click on next, click on next. You can just select to create a desktop icons if you wish. So right now I'm not gonna create any icons. You can select it if you wish to create a desktop icons. Click on install. So just click on finish. So finally the application has started, and you can see the icon at the taskbar tray menu, as you can see at the right bottom. So the application has started. Now as soon as you place this mouse cursor above this desktop icons, so you can see here it's jumping, right? So you can see here, so earlier it was not jumping like this, so right now it's jumping whenever I place the mouse cursor above this desktop icons. So by using this method, you can easily make any desktop icons jump whenever mouse cursor is placed above it in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.